Do not show any pain. Do not frown, wince, groan, yell, or scream. They do not understand human physiology. They do not intend to hurt you. They are trying to understand. They may remove various components of your body. They may subject you to various physical forces. Attempt not to show any discomfort throughout this process. They react to expressions of distress with extreme violence. It is hypothesized that they see expressions of pain as a threat. They will terminate you if you show pain. They are only passing through our reality as visitors. They will soon be gone. You will receive medical care to remove memories of any pain. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Secure. Contain. Protect.